In this video, I will show you how to set up any controller on Steam. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Steam. So once you've opened up Steam and logged in, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press onto Steam up here. From the drop down menu, go ahead and click onto settings, and that's going to go ahead and open up the settings window. Now what you're going to want to do next is come to this menu on the left hand side, and you want to come down and click onto controller. So now you've got some options available, so you can see all the different controllers that are supported. So for example, you've got PlayStation, Xbox, Switch Pro, or generic controllers. So what you want to do is basically turn the switch on for the type of controller you have, whether that's Xbox, PlayStation, generic, or Switch. And once you've done that, there's nothing else you need to do from here. You can just go ahead and close down this window. Next, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left hand corner and press onto library to come across to your games library. From here, come across to your games library on the left hand side and right click on the game that you want to use a controller for. So in this example, I'm going to go for Counter-Strike 2. And what you want to do is right click to open up a menu and come down and press onto properties. From here, from this window that opens up, come to the left hand side and just simply press onto controller. And what you want to do is there's going to be a box here and it's probably going to say that use default settings or disable Steam input. So you want to click onto the drop down box and click onto enable Steam input. As you can see, this is now going to enable the available controllers which have been set by the developers to be compatible with this game. So for example, for Counter-Strike, you can see that the Xbox controller, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, generic controller, Steam controller, as well as remote play is all enabled for this game. You can also use the controller configurator, which is basically here. So if you click onto this link, what you can do is actually map your controller. I've not currently got a controller connected, but this way you can come to actually change the buttons. And of course you can do this from the in-game menu also. So that is how to go ahead and set up any controller on Steam. I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.